Now guys, first I'm gonna put the bike off ignition. Oh, yes. Then get this baby off, disconnect it. Hop. Guys, here we got this one. Now, I'm not sure what you say about it, but I really like it. Looks absolutely sleek. So like this. Comparison. Old versus new. Looks nice. Really nice. Okay. Now guys, there are washers over here. I'm gonna put them over there. So, washer here, washer there, washer everywhere. Hop. Then, no, first we're gonna attach it and see if we don't have any problems with the CAN bus. Okay guys, it's waterproof. Wow, they don't say which is which. Now let's see, have fun. Okay, there is a problem on the CAN bus. It says lamp. Now guys, then let's move on. This is, yeah, I don't trust it. So what I'm gonna do is put a piece of shrinking tube around it. Absolutely sure that it's sealed. This is what I've got. Put it, slide it over. This one all the way in. Up. This one. See? Yes. Well done. This powder. Come. All the way in. Yes. Sure that we don't have, see, that's bare metal. I don't want to have that. So, all the way in. Yes. Then. Okay. Careful. Plastic, this plastic, the plastic, be sure. Okay. Then over here. Yes. Think. A bit of tape around it. Over here. Wait a minute. There. So. Yes. Over here. Guys, so easy. And nope. This. No. Tiny bit of tape over here too. So. Why? I have no fucking idea, but I think it looks better. Then you have to get those 3 washers. Remember? We're gonna slide it. So back in here. I don't like this. What happens over time, this rubber tears away, as you can see over here. And then this bushing is going to be way too long. So what I love to do, take that bushing out and sand it a few millimeters down, so sits better. Now guys, that's, so it was, guys, for years it was inwards, it's not mounted. So these are now, the length is now 14 mil, and I'm gonna get at least 3 mil off. With a hacksaw I got a few mil off. They were 14 and now they are 12, no, 11. So, and then I also have 3 extra washers for on the inside. Now let's see. I'm sure that this is much better. Yes. Okay. Okay. Those bulbs, no, because these are bulbs, they had it in a very loose rubber. Because bulbs are, yeah, a 2-cylinder like this. It shakes a bit. But this is lead. And with lead you don't have that problem. Leads are far more sturdy, they don't have that filament. Okay. Oh, here was the, then this one. not too tight, but yes, yes. It can still wiggle, but it's not hanging loose now. Yes. Now guys, so then we're gonna put that circlip back onto there. Get it into that slit, and then with a screwdriver try click to get it in place. That just happened. Oh, that just then into this lovely okay, and all the way down and into this position. Hop, yes. We have his brother circlip. This is. Yep. Perfect. See, circlip over there, and one over there. See. This one was over here. What was this one? So that one over there. Let's see, guys. Hop. See? Otherwise you have to get all the stuff out. Long nose plier. Hop. Yes, here. Hoppa. Check. Super. There was this one underneath. It's out of the way. Let's have a look where he was here. Pin it up. Yes. Now, guys, this is. And then we have one over here. The blocking pin. Hop. Yes. This one. Let's see. Okay. Brother. Oops. Over there. Okay. Yes, not too tight. It's all plastic, eh? Plastic fantastic. This one is gonna come over here. torque 30. Okay, yes. And tiny notch and an opening over there. Oh, yes. Come on. Okay. This side, you don't have to go over the frame. Yes, guys, this is a side-by-side comparison, and as you can see now, the old one looks a bit outdated. This one is sleek, it has this ridge, this thing here, smoke. From this side you can see it looks with those two triangle shaped forms. I really like it. It's absolute a nice upgrade for this bike. Well guys, this was my video about how to change the tail light of this Beamer. It's a BMW F800GT and I changed it from a bulb taillight to a LED taillight. As you could see, it was, well, not that difficult. A little bit screwing here and there, which I love. But this taillight triggers a fault code when I apply the brake. Then the brake light comes on and I got a fault code. But that I'm gonna solve in the next video. I'm gonna take the Motorscan app and there I'm gonna show you which setting you can change to let the bike know that this is a LED brake light. So guys, I hope you like this video, and if you do, please consider a subscription. I really would appreciate that. Give me a thumbs up. Really good for the YouTube algorithm, pushes my channel a bit up in the ranking. And for now, old mechanic.